about the seminar, then I forgot. Okay, once again, we are moving on to the terms. Threshing, winnowing,
hand picking, sedimentation, sedimentation.
Oh, wait. Hello, don't say. Repeat after me, okay? Don't say, because there, if someone is saying sedimentation, some are saying hand picking, some are saying winnowing. So what you will learn? So be in the order.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, repeat after me. Clear? Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Winnowing, hand picking,
Hand picking,
sieving,
sieving,
sedimentation, decantation, 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 filtration,
filtration,
evaporation,
evaporation,
and ninth word, condensation.
condensation,
Okay, fine. Anthony Joel, can you read the words? Can you others mute it? Anthony Joel, read the words.
Threshing,
Winnowing. Okay, winnowing.
hand picking,
Okay.
sieving,
Okay.
sedimentation,
Okay.
decantation,
Fine.
filtration,
Very good.
evaporation,
Okay, fine.
condensation.
Condensation. Rena, read it. Rena, read it.
Methods of separation.
Rena, read it.
Threshing.
I cannot hear Rena.
Threshing.
Okay, good. Winnowing. Okay.
Winnowing. Hand
picking. No sound.
Sedimentation.
Okay, fine. Sedimentation. Decantation. Okay, fine. Seventh one. Filtration. Okay, good.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Okay. Next.
Condensation.
Okay. Devak Menon, read it. Read the words. Devak, read it. Threshing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Winnowing. Okay. Hand picking. Okay, good. Fourth one. Okay. Fifth one. Sedimentation. Okay, fine. Sixth one. Decantation. Seventh one.
Filtration.
Okay. Eighth one. Evaporation. And ninth one. Condensation. Siana, can you read? Okay, Siana, read it.
Ma'am,
Siana, read it. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Siana, can you unmute? Read. Others mute it. Siana, read. Threshing. Okay. Winnowing. Okay.
Hand picking,
Okay. Hand picking. Sieving. Okay. Sedimentation. Okay, correct. Decantation. Okay, seventh one.
Filtration.
Okay, eighth one.
Evaporation.
Okay, ninth one. Condensation.
Condensation.
Okay, Ananda, only Ananda. Last chance, Ananda. Okay, we will continue. Ananda, repeat now.
Crushing.
Okay, threshing.
Winnowing.
Okay, winnowing
Hand picking.
and picking. Okay,
Sieving.
sieving. Okay,
Sedimentation.
sedimentation. Okay, fine.
Sedimentation.
Mm.
Decantation.
Okay,
Filtration.
okay,
Evaporation.
okay.
Condensation.
Condensation. Okay, fine, children. So we have already learned the words. Now we are going to see what do you mean by threshing. Okay, so from this picture you will able to see what do you mean by threshing. Threshing used for separating grains from stalks. Okay, stalks means paddy field. How do you separate the rice grains or wheat grains? So that
we should write
process
this.
is known as threshing. No problem. I will give you in the WhatsApp. Okay, because in this picture is not clear. You just listen.
Yes, ma'am, it is very
Yeah.
small.
Very small. So I will give you in the WhatsApp. Okay. So threshing means it's used for separating grains from stalks. Grains means it can be grains, GRAIN. It can be rice grains. It can be wheat grains, maize grains. Okay. So grains, stalks. What do you mean by stalks? The bundle. You see in the paddy field, they harvest, they finish the harvesting and they will tie. They will tie the paddy like a bundles and bundles. Have you seen that?
Yes,
You
ma'am, I
must
saw.
have seen some pictures in movies. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Movies and all. So that is known as stalks. Okay. So what does the farmers do? After doing that, the farmers will beat it. This threshing, actually what they do, they take the bundle and beat it down. Take one bundle of this hay and all together grains, and they will started beating up. Okay. After beating, what they do? After beating, they can see that all the grains are fallen down. So this is how. So first what they do, they will bundle up. After some time, it will be started. After harvesting, they'll bring it to the house, and then afterwards the farmers come and beat it up. Okay. So these all the things is known as threshing. Let us see what are the threshing actually. I think this is clear for you. So threshing is mainly used for separating seeds from the harvested stalks. When you want to write, you can learn only this only. So this I will be sending you. So this is the simple. Yeah.
Tell more bigger.
I think it is blurred like I feel it. Can you see properly?
We can see it is unique.
Okay, fine. Yes. So we have
Divisions are there in threshing?
so many
Divisions are there in.
divisions. They have divisions means we can thresh manually. Manually means farmers can take it and beat it on the floor. That is another threshing. Another way we can threshing by animals. We use horses and I will show you the picture. So sometimes farmers are not enough. Then what the owner will do? He will depend on the machines and animals. So there are 3 types of threshing: manual threshing, threshing by animals, threshing machine. We use manual threshing, threshing by animals, and threshing machine. So threshing is used for separating seeds or grains. What do you mean by seed? It is actually, we call it grains in some of the cases. In the rice cases, we call it is a grains. But some other thing like soya beans, yeah, we have so many other seeds we use for cooking. Soya beans, then we will have peas and all that. We make seed out of it. Correct. Dal and all. Actually, dal and all, it is the seed. So we use the threshing. So manual threshing means when quantity is small, the people can do the threshing. I'm now going to show you the picture of threshing. Can you see? So these are the three different types of threshing pictures. Have you seen it? So in this picture, it is clear. You see the first picture is manual. This is manual threshing. Yeah. This is animals. Yeah. Animals threshing. You can see that bullocks are tied to a just like a truck like thing, and that man is putting under the feet of the animals, and then animals make them to move. Animals will be made to move on that paddy, and as a result, what will happen? The grains will fall down. So this man is actually, he is putting the paddy field to the animals so that animals will be stamping on it, and this person is making that bullocks to move around. Some in European countries, they will use the horses also for that. See, bullocks and cows is more available. We can see in India only. Okay. Other areas also we have cows and bullocks, but still they mainly uses horses for it. European countries. Okay. So instead of the bullock, they use the horses in order to do that. Okay. So if you go to internet, you will see the picture. This is by machine. Okay. You can see there is a machine into it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What happened?
Can anyone say the three divisions, manual and then the
Machine animal.
manual threshing, threshing by animals, threshing by machine? Thank you.
First one is manual threshing.
No network issue.
Threshing, winnowing, and picking, seeding, sedimentation, defecation, and other.
Ma'am left. It is recording.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am, can you hear us?
Ma'am.
There was a technical issue. That's why. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So Zoom shut down by itself. So I am just going to start the slide again. So we will see that slide, and after that we wind up the session. Okay, almost time.
Ma'am, machine.
So the first one, 20
Yes.
minutes only more.
Yes, that's why we only discuss about it. So you can see that this is by.
You didn't share.
Screen sharing.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't share.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Threshing by manual animal.
Threshing by machine. Okay.
Machine.
Yeah. Threshing by machine. Say, you can see that ladies are putting the harvested bundles of paddies into that machine, and you can see here there are some children. They are working. You can see the poor children, no?
Yes.
When you go to UP and other places, majorities to boys and girls may not go to the for study. Okay, in Kerala only majority everyone is studying. So these people are doing this kind of work. You can see that she's putting, and this boy is just gathering all the rice grains from under the machine. So machine will thresh it. Only that grains will be come out, and we can remove that waste materials can remove manually. By this lady will be removing that manually. You can see it around it. So this is what you do, threshing. In olden days in Kerala also we do this. Even I did it in my home. My father has a paddy field, so that time I was like a small baby. So when these farmers come to our house, it's just like a festival for us. In the
You
night
did
time-
which
Yeah.
animal or animals?
No, manual. Animals, no. Animals, nowadays, we are doing all this shortcut method. Okay. Now, what they do, they are our technology advanced, so they don't give more job to the people. They depend on the machines. So olden times, 19th century, 1990, 1980s. I was born in 1970. So that time, only this method was available. Okay. So that time we do
Manual
it's like a festival. In the night time, manual. At home, all these farmers will come in the night. They put the light on there and they will sing the song and they will do the threshing. Not simply. You must have seen in some movies, no? Yeah, some folk songs. In some movies, you will see that. You missed all out. Okay. We had a very great childhood. Really, we enjoyed a lot. Okay. When I was like, I think maybe 5-year-old girl, maybe. So when I go there, I'll go to this, I'll call Cheta, please give me little, okay, to do it. So they'll give me small bundle. And then I started doing this. Okay. Yes. So now it's Onam holidays. We are missing a lot. Correct. All these things. That is okay. Okay, dear. So I'm minding up the
In the garden, we will put the pull and also they will
yes,
sing the
yes.
song.
So we also sing the song. Very interesting it was. So now we are in Onam holiday vacation. Our very peaceful, not peaceful, safe and healthy Onam celebration.
Ma'am, when is the vacation?
Vacation is starting today evening onwards. Okay.
Oh,
So we will meet it on Tuesday. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Stay healthy, stay safe.
Happy Onam everyone.
Happy Onam, ma'am. Happy Onam.